This video is about must-visit places in Hampi. The shadow of Virupaksheswara Temple Gopuram passes through this small opening and falls on this wall as an inverted shadow. Outside this temple a little away, we could see a small temple with big Shivaling immersed in water. In the Maharnavami Dibba, we could see the Hazara Rama temple with ornate pillars and sculptures about the epic story Ramayana. Next, the Zenana Enclosure hosts the treasury building, watchtowers, Lotus Mahal, elephant stable, etc. Out of this, Lotus Mahal is an icon. In the Royal Enclosure, the stepwell and the underground secret chamber are very much stunning. The gateway known as Talari Gatta Hebbegalu leads us to the Vijaya Vittala Temple. Here, the Garuda Ratham and musical mandapa are very special. See you soon in my next video. Thanks for watching.